Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet corn ice cream, or as we know it in Belize as Suga Caan ice cream. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is 1 can of cream style sweet corn, and I'm going to put this in my strainer and I'm going to rinse it. I know you're probably thinking, girl, you are crazy. What are you doing rinsing out all the good stuff? I know, but just bear with me. I have my reasons. I have tested this recipe so many different ways, and this is the best one I came up with. So you just want to rinse everything out and just leave the corn in there. Now I'm going to separate 4 eggs, so you're only going to need the egg yolks for this recipe. The eggs will make it smooth and creamy, and it will add a rich flavor and color to the ice cream. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Don't throw your egg whites away, keep it in the fridge and use it for another recipe. Now I'm going to remove the ice out of the egg, and I don't always do this for everything, so it depends on what I'm making. So for something like this, I'm doing it because it will improve the texture and the appearance of the ice cream. Okay, to my pot set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 pint or 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1½ cups of whole milk, 1¼ cup of white sugar. Give that a stir. Now I'm going to add the sweet corn to this, and I'm just going to stir this and let this heat through for about 10 minutes. Keep an eye on this. You don't want this to come to a boil. You just want it to be hot enough so you can put some in your egg yolks to temper it. Okay, now I'm going to take a cup of the mixture and slowly whisk it into the egg yolks. The reason you want to do this is so that the egg comes up to temperature. You don't want to just put the hot liquid in the egg, otherwise it's going to scramble the egg. Now I'm going to take the mixture and put it back to the pot, and I'm going to whisk it some more. You're going to let this continue to cook for another 2½ minutes or so, and then you're going to test it with a spoon. You don't want to cook this for too long, but you'll know when it's ready when you dip your spoon in there and it coats the back of the spoon. Now I'm going to pour this in a dish, and I'm going to set this on the counter and let it cool completely before I refrigerate it. That will take about 3 hours to cool down, and then you're going to take some plastic wrap and cover it and put it in the refrigerator, and you're going to let this sit in there for at least 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours has passed and it's time to make my ice cream. And this will take about 20 minutes or so in my ice cream maker. Okay, let's talk about sweet corn ice cream, or as Belizeans say, Suga Caan ice cream. If you're not familiar, Belizeans speak Creole. It's broken English. So when we say Suga Caan, we simply mean sugar corn. And we all love with Suga Caan ice cream. Everybody loves Suga Caan ice cream. So this is one of the top favorites. Okay, now that the 20 minutes is up, I'm going to take it out and put it in my container, and then I'm going to freeze it overnight. My cousin was here visiting me while I was testing this recipe, and oh my goodness, we ate so much ice cream. I tested this with frozen corn and I like the way it tastes, but after it freezed, the corn was too hard in the ice cream and I didn't like that. So then I did it with the can of sweet corn, everything. I didn't strain it. And I really like the way that tastes because that's what I know, that's the flavor I know, everything I love about it, but it was a little bit too icy. I don't know, when you're a kid, you don't know that your ice cream is icy, you just know it's Suga Caan ice cream, so you just eat it. But when you get older, you're like, I don't like no icy ice cream. So we thought we need to change something about that. So my cousin suggested that we strain the corn, and I think that's the best one yet. I find that when you strain the corn, it gives you that richer taste, that creamy mouthfeel, and that's what I was looking for. The only thing I didn't test this recipe with is fresh corn, and I couldn't find corn anywhere. We looked high and low and we just couldn't find any. I don't know, maybe it's just not in season right now. Okay, so here it is. This is what it looks like the next day. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, it's so nice and creamy. If you've never had sweet corn ice cream before, you have to try it. You're not going to regret it. This brought back so many memories growing up in Belize. Every time we go to get ice cream, if there's Suga Caan ice cream on the menu, you better know we're getting it. I mean, we love a good sour sap too, but Suga Caan, that the best. I'm so proud of this ice cream because we worked hard on getting the texture right. I mean, we had to eat a lot of ice cream, but hey, I don't mind. I wanted to show you what it looks like if you use the whole can of sweet corn and you didn't strain it. Like I said, it tastes perfect. It's really good, but the texture was off for me. It was just a little bit more icy than I like my ice cream to be. That's why I strained it. So thank you, Tisha. Thanks, Gyal. This was your idea for strain the can. I think you should make it both ways and see which one you like best, because they're both so good. Just the texture will be a little different. I noticed the longer it was in the freezer, it got more icy over time. I don't feel like the camera is really picking it up, but this is what it looks like side by side. Tisha, I can see you. What are you doing? Well, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching and thank you for subscribing. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.